So over here you can see that I have this image right here, which is low resolution and it is pixelated, as you can see. If you want to go ahead and upscale out the image, you can go to ILoveIMG.com and then click on Upscale Image right here. Once you do that, you can go ahead and select out the image that you want to upscale, and then it'll go ahead and then simply load it up, and you can see the before and after. So this is the before right here, and it went ahead and then, let's say for example, upscaled it out right here to add in more detail to it. So this is what you have, as you can see. You want to go ahead and add in more detail to it. You can even go ahead and choose 4 times right here, just like this. And then you can see that this is the starting resolution and this is the ending resolution. So you can see that this is the after. You can see jagged edges right here, just like this. And you can see that it is much crispier right here as I upscale it out. So that is basically how you can go ahead and upscale out image using ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.